Hey YouTube, what's happening? Little Lisa MUA back at it with another video. Today I'm just going to do a quick get ready with me. So if you're interested in sitting down and having a little chit chat, keep on watching. So I'm going to start with a foundation. No primer necessary. There's no primers available in the 90s or whatever. And there's no sponges available either. So I'm just going to put some of this on my finger and put it on my face here. And matching to your skin tone, no. You always just want to go a little bit darker, right? Then you get that nice ring around the bottom of your chin. Your hands work just as good. You don't just pat that shit in. Who needs a sponge or a brush or anything like that? Then it blends too nice. So you gotta get this nice ring around your face of orange. No! And the cakier the better. So now that's that done, setting powder, who is she? We don't need that. We're gonna go straight into some blush. So I'm gonna take the most pinkest blush that I have and slap that on my cheeks. So I'm taking my brush that I found that's been used for a bunch of other things. I'm just gonna clean it off on my hand here. And I'm just gonna slap that shit on my cheeks as heavy as I can. Just slap it on. Don't worry about blending. You don't need to blend it out. You wanna have it so it's noticeable, right? So you just wanna slap that pink on. Okay, now that we're looking good and rosy and not blended even in the slightest, I think that's probably good. Now let's go on to some eyebrows. So I mean, the thinner the better and the darker the better for eyebrows. So I'm just going to take this pencil that I found. It's pretty black, so I'm just going to draw on this eyebrow here. Just fill it in, one line up and one line down. Same for this side, one line up and one line down. Oops, went a little out there, but that's okay. That's a new look that I'm going to bring into trend here. So yeah, now that the face is all complete, let's move on to eyeshadow. No primer, we don't need primer. It's not a thing yet. And again, just use your finger, and you want to go into like the most silvery shade that you have, and you just want to pack that shit on there as much as you can. And you want to take it all the way up to the eyebrows, all the way. Again, don't worry about blending. You just want to pack that on so it's nice and bright and shiny. The shinier the better here. The shinier the better. Now if you're happy with that, you can take another silvery shade, add some more glitter on top of that. Oops. Take this, again with your finger, and you just want to pack it on. You don't need to look in a mirror. You know where your eye is, right? Beautiful, looking sexy as hell right now. Now that you got the eyes where you like it, let's put some eyeliner on. Doesn't matter. We'll just put it on top here. And you want to pull your eye like this so you get those nice premature wrinkles. So you can get it nice and straight onto there. Move to the other side. Oh yeah. And then we're going to do the bottom. We want black, 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 black. The quicker the better. You want to apply it the quicker the better, because we got to go to school in like 10 minutes, but we still want to look beat. Then you're just going to take some mascara and throw that shit on. Don't worry if you get it on the top of your eyelid. That's okay. Really coat those lashes. Let's dab in again. Oh yeah. That's the stuff. So once you got your eyelashes the way you want them, if there's some black on your eyelids, it's okay. Just go like this and take it off. Oh, but then it took off some of my eyeshadow. So I'm just going to go back in with my finger into my silver and pack some more of that on. Okay, perfect. Now let's move on to lips. Okay, so I'm going to take my lip pencil and I'm going to line my lips quickly. It's okay if you went a little bit outside the line. You can just take your finger and like, make it go away. There, even enough. And then I'm going to take the lightest lipstick that I have and I'm going to put it on my lips. So there, we have that really nice look with the really deep lip line and the nude lip. Oh yeah, looking sexy. Look at that face. Okay, and then the last thing that we need to do, there's no setting spray invented yet or anything like that. We need to take some body glitter and just pack that on everywhere. I don't have any roll-on body glitter because I ran out of that sticky shit. So I'm just going to take this and you pack it everywhere. Maybe some on the face, the glowier the better, all over the arms. Oh yeah, look at that. Never too much glitter. The shimmier the better. Now that you're looking shiny as heck, and you look in the mirror and you're like, oh man, something's missing, what's wrong? It's because my lips, they're not shiny enough, so I'm going to take a glitter lip gloss and top it off with that. There we go. There you have it. My 5-minute 90s back to school tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. My Instagram is Lisa_skibunny and my Facebook page is Little Lisa MUA. I post a lot of pictures of makeup that I've been doing. I'm also taking new clients, so if you need to get your makeup done or you want to get a hold of me, that's also all listed in on my Facebook page, so please join the family, and thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.